smell this shit.
We're good. I'm just gonna bring up your next second.
Shut the fuck up. Hey man, I didn't mean no shit. Yeah. I didn't mean no shit, man. Hey man, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Oh fuck.
I said a really good headers, guys. Really good. So keep it going on that totally real moment you just lived.
I'm sorry I talk shit, man.
It's alright, man. We're cool. Put it together. This guy's a rock star made of fucking gold with 6,000 babies all day.
Full of shit.
This has turned into an awesome theater show. Put it together for Dan Haber, man.
Get the fuck out of here. Guys, sorry about the iPad. Everyone has their notebooks. I'm not actually going to use it. It's kind of like condoms beside my bed. It just makes me feel safe that they're there. I won't actually use it. Oh, let's just get this out of the way. Do you guys know who Dave Grohl is?
Yeah.
The drummer for the Nirvana, singer for the Foo Fighters. Everyone always says I look like him. So, do you guys think I look like him? Because his joke will only work if you think I look like him. Okay, it's the only impression I do. Oh, does anyone have family members who are like mentally retarded? Good. That's not a joke, that's just sort of a PSA. This is my impression of Dave Grohl, a retarded Dave Grohl. The only impression oh, okay, I'm done. Thanks, guys. Hello. I have a thing about turning mics off. Because I'll turn John, Matthew, Mike, whoever, I'll turn them all off. So, okay. I'm wearing this jacket because I think it looks cool. And I know it's cool because it has a cobra on the back. And it has a cobra on the back because I do a lot of cocaine. By the way, I'm also part of a gang called the Cobras. I'm actually like a commander, so don't feel shy to say, refer to me as like Cobra Commander. So yeah, I did a lot of fucking coke the past couple of days, like this weekend. I don't know what day it is really, but I did a lot of coke. So if I sneeze, you guys should probably roll up some bills and just get ready to do that. Honestly, I have a zit right here. It used to be a lot bigger. I'm not even so convinced it's a zit. I think it's actually a deposit of coke. So it's not a joke. So if you guys do roll up some bills, we can play like a cocaine piñata with it, and you can come take a swab at it. And if it bursts, you win, I guess. But if it's a zit, I guess you lose. Sorry. So, I do a lot of coke, I guess. It doesn't show. I'm pretty calm. I'm pretty calm right now because I literally smoked like 4 or 5 joints today. But I don't really do coke because I like it. I think I just really love the way it smells. Which, honestly, like, that shit can get expensive. Like, if you use, like, cologne or perfume and you really like the way it smells, if you had to spray it on you every 5 minutes, it'd be fucking thousands of dollars a month. Or at least that's how much coke is, I don't know. But, like, if I do coke, no, I'm just kidding, I do love coke, though, it's not just the smell. Like, if I do coke, it's like starting a lawnmower or like a motorboat, like. Like, but the thing is, I don't mow lawns. I mow lines. Yeah, I can see you all have noses, so I just assume you've done coke. So I'm also going to assume that you've taken at least one shit in your life too, if you've done coke at least once. Because there's a reason people do it in the bathroom stall. He knows what I'm talking about. And it's not because they're trying to hide it. Like, when I'm on coke, I'm like, yeah, baby, I'm on fucking cocaine! Yeah! Fuck! Yeah! But no, you do it in a bathroom stall because chances are after you do a lot of coke, you're gonna have to take a shit. Especially if you're doing shitty coke, which I think in Montreal is the only brand that they sell. It's a lot like Coke Zero, actually, because it'll help you lose weight. Yeah, sure, bud, you go in there, oh, cool. Oh, fuck, you want a bump? If you know, I'm older than you guys probably, I don't look it, but I'm 48. No, I'm just kidding. I'm 34 years old, so I've done about a metric ton of coke, I would say. If you were to make this stage a square, I've probably done about that much. I fucking love it. Don't tell me anyone who has done, you've never done coke once. Who here has done coke once? Tonight. Because coke's only really called cocaine, like, when you're buying it. After that, it's just called more. There's like, and more, and more, and more, and more, and more, and more, and more. But anyway, so if you've done a lot of coke, which I recommend you do because it's fun, your ass starts to become trained like a dog. Like, you know how a dog when he hears his leash, the dog's like, we're gonna go for a walk! We're gonna go for a walk! Like, you just have to, like, honestly go grab the leash, the dog will fucking run to the door, he knows what's up. So for me, if I pull my cell phone out and even, like, go to my drug dealer's contact, my ass is already like, are we gonna go out? We're gonna go out? Like, I haven't even fucking called him yet, chill. You got your phone out, it's Dutch, you're gonna call Dutch, right? Like, anyways. Where's my last joke? Told you I was gonna use this. Oh yeah, I went to therapy today. I'm fixed. They fixed me. I did like the 1 hour special, the wax, the shave, no haircut, but so I'm not sad anymore. Well, fuck, I don't even have time to do the rest of those jokes. You know that Scotiabank commercial where they're like, you're richer than you think? I get so fucking confused. I'm like, oh fuck, I know I'm not richer than I think. So I got a gun. And I went and robbed the Scotiabank just to like, I'm like, I'm fucking richer than I think, motherfucker! Thank you very much.
Daniel Francis Haber, the only man